Earning a college degree is a big deal. You're making a big investment of time, money, and yourself. To accomplish something so long-term and important like education, thoughtful planning and follow-through are needed. Ultimately, you are the one responsible for keeping track of your education, but you have an advisor and other resources to guide you along the way. One of those resources is called Degree Works. Degree Works is an audit system used to help you monitor progress toward timely degree completion. Available online 24/7 to you and your advisors, your Degree Works report lists all the requirements needed for your degree. And when each one is completed, the system will check it off for you. Your Degree Works Audit Report is full of useful information. But let's scroll through the blocks of information and details that are important for new students to know, beginning with where it is. To find your Degree Works Audit Report, first go to the My Plattsburgh portal. There are two ways to view it. One is from the Students tab under Degree Audit Information, here at SUNY Plattsburgh Degree Works Login. Oh, and this tab and section are the same if you're viewing from your cell phone. If on a computer, you can also access Degree Works on the left side of the portal, this icon with the graduation cap. On the top of your audit report is general information, including your student ID number, major, cumulative GPA, and your major advisor. Any additional advisors in your support network, like athletic coaches, special program staff, or a minor advisor, will also be listed. If you do not see an advisor listed, no worries, because as a new student, advisors are assigned just before the semester begins. What you see next are two circles that indicate degree progress. While not an exact indicator, they are a really solid estimate of how far you've come. It's fun to see the percentages rise as you advance in your career here. Your precise overall GPA is also shown here. All new first year and new transfer students start fresh with a 0.0 GPA, since only grades earned at SUNY Plattsburgh will count toward your Plattsburgh GPA. Next, let's look at overall bachelor's degree requirements. All bachelor's degrees require a minimum of 120 credits. Credits applied is the total number of credits you have already completed plus the credits you are registered to take in an upcoming semester. Other credits you might have earned previously from other places, they'll be included here too. Next are listed college-wide requirements for any bachelor's degree. These are like running totals of your whole degree. If you're just starting out, there won't be much there yet, but monitoring these totals along with your advisor becomes way more relevant as you progress. Just beneath degree requirements is placement and proficiency information. Any results of automatic placement or proficiency tests you took are here. They let you and your academic department know if you're ready to jump right into a particular course or if you must take a prerequisite course first. Further down the page are the requirements for your general education program. Most transfer students with a lot of credits will have the SUNY Gen Ed program. Most first-year students like this one will have the Cardinal Core curriculum, which has two parts. The Cardinal Core Foundations develop essential skills that support all college learning. The Cardinal Foundation Seminar, designed for first-year students, combines academic inquiry into a unique topic with academic and life skills that support your adjustment to university life. Each of the SUNY GE categories, or the cardinal core categories that you see here, like individual expression and U.S. identities, reflect a diversity of courses from disciplines all across the university. Let's look at how your course requirements are tracked. Degree Works indicates your progress with a simple system of colored circles. A green checked circle indicates a class or requirement has been completed. This means either the class was taken at SUNY Plattsburgh or the credits were transferred in from another institution. The blue half circle shows that the class is in progress, which means it's either happening right now or it's a registered class for the semester ahead. The red circle means that the class or requirement has not been completed yet. This can help you plan what courses to take in future semesters. In the next block are the requirements for your major. Undeclared students do not have a major requirements yet. However, a major block will appear once you do declare. Sometimes a major course can also satisfy a cardinal core or other requirement. And this is nice because it means one class is satisfying two requirements. Every major requires a minimum GPA, and Degree Works calculates that for you. The GPA in this block includes only your major classes. Remember that your overall GPA, cumulative GPA, is shown above, next to those degree progress circles. Further down the page, you may see cognate courses, cognate requirements, though not all majors include cognate coursework. If they do, cognates are courses in related content that are considered essential to the major. So this student is a geology major, but they need cognates in chemistry, mathematics, and physics to deeply understand geology. The fall-through section can be thought of as classes that do not fall into one of the above categories of general education or major. Think of them as electives that can count toward the 120 credits you need to graduate. First-year students will have few, if any, fall-through classes, but transfer students or students who have studied here for a bit might have many classes listed here. In the final section, you will find the in-progress courses mentioned earlier that includes anything you're registered for at this time. New students who have not started here yet are registered for these classes by or with assistance from the chair of their academic major or special program staff. Once you start your Plattsburgh studies, in all future semesters, you meet with your academic advisor during a time called course advisement period to discuss the next classes for you to take and to receive your registration PIN. And when you register for yourself, those classes will update on Degree Works overnight and appear in the In Progress section for you. This demonstration offered an overview of the Degree Works report information that you most need to know as you begin at SUNY Plattsburgh. There are other features of Degree Works you can explore on your own or with your advisor, and we hope you do. Just know that your Degree Works audit report will be a useful tool throughout your career here as you plan and track your success from now until graduation.